India leads the world in area under cashew cultivation, raw nut production and export of cashew kernel. Indian scientists have evolved the best saplings suited to our agroclimatic conditions. These saplings are grown in breathtaking surroundings, carefully watched over. Cashew is a low-spreading evergreen tree, flowering within 3 to 5 years of planting. It thrives in high temperatures, close to the seacoast, and blooms between the months of November and January. Its fruits ripen within 2 months of the first flowering. In an orchard, the cashew nuts may go almost unnoticed. They cling precariously to the cashew apples, which spot colors ranging from yellow to deep red. When mature, the fruits are gathered by experienced hands. The nuts are gently plucked from cashew apples. Then, they are dried to get the best results. The Indian cashew industry has emerged as the leader in the world, employing a wide variety of techniques and equipment for processing. To extract the kernel from the hard shell, the nuts are softened with steam under pressure. And now comes into play the skill developed by Indian cashew workers over the years. The steamed nuts are shelled using semi-automatic cutting machines, but the trick lies in extracting the kernel wholes. Once the kernels are retrieved, they appear pinkish and curly. They are put through a hot air chamber, which helps restrict moisture, so that they can be peeled carefully to avoid breakage. Once peeled, the cashew kernels are ready to be graded into white wholes, scorched wholes, desert wholes, white pieces, scorched pieces. These are further subgraded by size. The grades, simply put, ensure that you get the best quality Indian cashew of your choice. Adoption of the state-of-the-art packing technology ensures that the world gets Indian cashew at its best. Here, cashew kernels are packed in flexi pouches, which are flushed with nitrogen and carbon dioxide before vacuumization. This ensures that the cashew kernels are free from any microbial or pest attacks. Cashew nuts are high-calorie, zero-cholesterol, all-time food. This heart-sparing nut has minimum levels of soluble sugar, which helps to prevent liver cirrhosis and even some types of cancer. Cashew nuts provide proteins, fats and vitamins. Cashew kernel contains 21% vegetable proteins and 47% fat, of which 82% is unsaturated fatty acid, which helps the body to reduce cholesterol levels. Even a modest amount of cashew nut intake has been associated with a low risk of coronary heart diseases. Cashew kernels contain 7% of the recommended daily value of dietary fiber, small amounts of thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and folic acid. It also contains iron, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, and potassium. The cashew kernel may be the most celebrated yield from the cashew trees, but the cashew apple, flamboyant in colors, is a rich source of vitamin C. These fleshy, aromatic and juicy fruits are processed to produce jams and squashes from cashew apple. Cashew is now the center of one of India's biggest agro-processing industries. Apparently, cashew trees were introduced into India to beat the monsoon floods and soil erosion. No one would have dreamt how this humble tree, with its kidney-shaped nut, would transform a whole economy, giving it a ticket to prosperity.